If you're seeing an MSN sync error, it usually means your device is having trouble syncing emails, contacts, or calendars with Microsoft's live servers. This can happen because of an outdated connection, a full cloud storage limit, or even a corrupted app or browser cache. The good news is that in most cases you can fix it quickly without needing advanced technical skills. In this video, I'll walk you through the simplest fixes step by step so you can get your Microsoft account syncing properly again. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy fixes like this. Let's get started. First, check your Microsoft Cloud storage. If your free OneDrive storage or your email inbox is completely full, Microsoft can block synchronization to prevent any new data from coming in. To check this, log into your Microsoft account dashboard and look at your storage meters. Make sure your OneDrive, Outlook mailbox, and overall account storage are not at capacity. If you are over the limit, that could be the main reason your sync is failing. If your storage is full, open a web browser and go to outlook.com. Once you're signed in, go to your deleted items folder and permanently empty it. Then do the same for your junk email folder. These folders can still take up space even when you think the messages are gone, so clearing them out can free up enough room for syncing to work again. After that, refresh your account and try syncing again. Next, clear your browser cache. A corrupted or outdated cache can stop Microsoft services from loading correctly and can trigger sync problems. If you're using Outlook or Microsoft services in your browser, open your browser settings and clear the cached images, files, and cookies for the relevant sites. Once that's done, close the browser completely and reopen it before signing back in. This helps force a fresh connection to Microsoft's servers. If you're still seeing the MSN sync error after that, sign out of your Microsoft account and sign back in again. Sometimes a simple re-authentication is enough to refresh the connection and fix sync issues. Also, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection because weak or interrupted connectivity can cause the sync process to fail. After you've checked storage, emptied the unnecessary folders, and cleared the browser cache, try syncing one more time. In many cases, that's all it takes to resolve the issue. If the error continues, the next step would be checking for app updates or account connection settings. But the steps in this video usually fix the most common causes. I hope this helped you fix the MSN sync error quickly. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone else who's having the same issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.